Tenerife! People, you know who's crazy? He is. Look at what he's doing.
This is our 9-day trip to Tenerife to celebrate our 5 years of wedding anniversary and my birthday as well. Hope we can show you good places along with our road trip.
Anushree, where are you?
I'm in Tenerife.
Here's a welcoming. Hey, Guilty. That's a stay for the duration in Tenerife. Very nice kitchen. Looks like I'm gonna be sailing the boat. Lovely this. Very nice place. That's bad. What a backyard or a patio. What are you doing, Anushree?
Gazing.
Lovely, isn't it? Look at this. Isn't it so lovely? Oh my god. Yes, Tenerife is a place to come when it's wet and rainy in Dublin. Absolutely. Yeah, there's one which is greeting me there. It's lovely to meet it. Look at that. Huh?
Yeah. Mi casa.
That's her place.
Our casa.
Hello, it's Abby.
It's Anu here.
We are in Mount Teide. That's our first destination, and today's full road trip around the island. It's a very nice place. I can give you a quick glance where to buy things like tickets and how to get into the cable car and where it takes you. So that's a place where you buy ticket, and that's where you get in, and that's where it takes you. It's lovely, really nice. When you come here, you should definitely do this. I would recommend this for sure.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left. I feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
After a nice ride in the cable car to the top of the mountain, just came down. It was a very good coffee shop. Did some small purchase and sat down having coffee with a lovely view right in front of you. Very good place to spend some time after your time at the top. I highly recommend this.
me. Still got a hold on me. Even without you here. Still got a hold on me. Even without you here. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. Take my eyes open to face reality. Why can't you just
Jenna, I'm hungry. Can you take me for lunch with a view, please?
There you go. On the table. Turn your left. Done. Happy?
I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river takes too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's real and no one else. My darling, in fire. My darling, rose in fire. You're a liar. You say, my darling, rose in fire. In fire. You say, my darling, rose in fire. You're a liar. Shivers my spine so cold, so swimming in the rivers, swimming in the rivers. I'm trying to let go of us, but the go of us,
People, you know who's crazy? He is. Look at what he's doing.
It's 45 degrees. Ready? One, two,
Ready,
three,
guys,
go.
for Abhijit's craziness?
Look at that. It's nearly 45 degree inclination. Here we go. Whoa.
I thought cable car was crazy. China, nidana kogo. There's air. This is craziness into 10,000, guys. Woo!
Did it.
We did it!
How was my choosing Anushree?
Very good.
I just saw this like,
Did you enjoy?
what the hell? The door, like the road goes like zoom straight.
Welcome to Tenerife. Where did we go?
1, 2, 3, go! Boom!
Say I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so